The DVP extension identifies a DELMIA process file containing manufacturing process simulation data from Dassault Systèmes' digital manufacturing platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or troubleshoot these manufacturing process files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky DVP errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. DVP files are process simulation files for DELMIA by Dassault Systèmes, a digital manufacturing platform. They contain manufacturing process definitions, including assembly sequences, robot path programming, ergonomic analysis data, and plant layout configurations for production planning. DELMIA DVP files use a proprietary format, storing process flow definitions with activity sequences, resource assignments, time studies, robot motion paths, and 3D factory layout data. They integrate with CATIA product data for complete digital manufacturing simulation. The specific reading module for DVP files is provided by DELMIA from Dassault Systèmes. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows lacks advanced 3D interpretation, so proper inspection requires dedicated engineering programs. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your DVP file, then click Open With. Test DELMIA if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If your DVP file will not open yet, do not panic. We're facing a complicated DVP error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, opening the file. Install DELMIA from Dassault Systèmes and open the DVP file via File then Open. DELMIA loads the manufacturing process simulation with all activity sequences, resource assignments, and 3D plant layout data ready for analysis and optimization. Next, running simulations. Execute manufacturing process simulations in DELMIA to validate assembly sequences, robot reach, and cycle times. Use the simulation timeline to step through process activities. Identify bottlenecks and optimize resource allocation based on simulation results. Finally, exporting results. Export simulation results as reports from DELMIA, including process flow diagrams, resource utilization charts, and cycle time analyses. Generate PDF documentation for production planning teams. Export 3D simulation videos for stakeholder presentations and training materials. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.